Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to trade using Alligator indicator and we'll start with just $98 on deposit. Until which result I will come, you should watch this video till the end, then you will see the result. If you never trade with Alligator indicator, you shouldn't worry because at the beginning of our trading, I will explain you how to work with this indicator, how to turn it on, and many more essential information which will help you out if you are going to use this indicator. So if you're excited to join me in my trading today, then please put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to stay in touch and not to miss my new videos, then turn on the notification button. I also have a close group, it's like our secret community of traders, and I'm sharing their trading signals free of charge. If you want to join and if you want to get trading signals personally from me, then you can find the link on the description box of my Telegram and you should text me a code word signal and then I will add you to this group. Super easy. So guys, no time to waste, let's get started. Today guys, we are going to trade with you using Alligator indicator. It will help us to determine pivot points and of course will tell us the further price movement. As you probably already know, this indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, and it means that first of all we pay attention on our support and resistance levels, and only then we take hints of this indicator. Indicator is already connected and all the settings are allowed by default, and now I will remind you what is the signal to open a deal. As you can see, the indicator consists of three medium-sized green and red colors. So the signal for opening a deal is the moment when, for example, the green moving average begins to cross from top to bottom our second red moving average. This situation tells us that a downward movement is expected over here. And also when the green moving average crosses our second red moving average from the bottom up, this situation tells us that an upward movement is expected and here we could open a deal to go up. Also, when the moving average crossed each other and moved parallel to each other and gets further from each other, this situation tells us that there is a good, confident, directional movement. The indicator also has errors. For example, when the price falls into the pro-trading zone and moves in this range or during minor pullbacks, you can enter a deal when the intersection of the moving averages has just occurred. And also when they have been moving parallel to each other for some time, it all depends on the specific situation. Also in such situation, we can work ahead of time. For example, of the intersections of the moving average if it's not has not yet occurred, but we see that it might happen in the near future. There should be also a good trading situation, and in such situation, after analyzing it, we understand that in the near future there will be a movement in the one direction or another. And so guys, today we'll try to look for different kinds of situations, so please watch this video till the end so you can see how I work on this indicator. And let's get started, find the first situation on the market. So we have a level of support down here. We also see that after the first touch of the level there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price again approached our level with a fairly good confident candles. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. We also see that at the moment our entry point is confirmed by the indicator. There is an intersection of moving averages and they begin to diverge further from each other. The price here has a good potential for decline. This means that this level is more likely to be broken just at the moment a good confident candle is beginning to form beyond our level. Well, 2 minutes also is a margin. Take into account that in this situation there could be a pullback up or some price will fall in the pro-trading zone. After that, the downward movement would be more likely to continue and this level will be broken. But since there was no upward pullback as such, there was also no pro-trading zone and the price continued steady downward movement. I think 2 minutes will be enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the net of our deal. It's not bad at all. The level has been broken and we get a really nice confident profit. Not a bad start, guys. Let's continue. Alright, here we see that there was a good confident upward movement. The price has reached the resistance level, and after touching there was a pullback down, and after a while the price turns around and begins to move up also to the resistance level, and while there is still space and at the same time there is an intersection of the moving average, which means that an upward movement is expected. So I think we'll open a deal for 3 minutes with the margin to go up. The price has also generally good potential for increase. I think that in the near future the price will still continue to move towards the level. 3 minutes also with the margin, taking into account possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's quite good, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move towards the level. Also, after touching the level, there was a logical small pullback down. But in any case, in this situation, 3 minutes was quite enough for us. Let's continue to see the following market situation. Here we also see that there has been a reversal from a certain point and the price is moving down. And there's also an intersection of moving averages. Let's open a deal for 3 minutes to go down. The price is moving slowly but confidently. I think that in the near future it will still move at least to the internal level of support. I think 3 minutes here will be quite enough, guys. Of course, the price may not have time to reach the internal level, but at least it will just continue to move down. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's fine, guys. The downward movement still continued. There was also a slight upward pullback, but in any case, we made a profit here. The price has almost reached the internal level. Guys, let's continue. Okay, here we see that after the pullback, the price has again approached our level. Also, it is already starting to break through it. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has touched this level several times, and this time there is a breakout. We also see that there was an intersection of moving averages, and I think that in the near future this level will be fully broken through, since the overall potential of the price is also going to increase. Price lows are getting higher, so friends, let's wait for the end of results of our deal. Good. The level was broken and we made a profit. So far, everything is going well. Let's continue. Here, guys, at the bottom, we have a support level. We also see that after the pullback, the price has turned around and is moving down. Also, the main price highs are getting lower. At the same time, there is an intersection of the moving averages, which means that the downward movement is expected. So I think we'll open a deal here for 3 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will continue its downward movement, since the overall price potential is also going down. So I think 3 minutes here will be quite enough, even take into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Amazing. The price really continued to move to the level and we made a profit, guys. The price has an excellent potential for decline. 3 minutes was enough for us. Let's continue in the following market situation. Here, guys, at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback, and after the pullback the price approached our level again. There is a kind of compression. We'll open a deal here for 2 minutes to go up. I think the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached, since the overall price potential is also going up. The indicator also confirms our entry point. There is an intersection of moving averages. So guys, let's wait for that forward deal. Excellent, guys. The upward movement continued and we made a profit. Also, the price near the level fell into the pro-trading zone, but I think there will be a breakout in the near future. In any case, the indicator gave us a good entry point. So guys, let's continue to see the following market situation. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after the rollback the price came up to our level and got into the pro-trading zone. There is a kind of compression. We will open a deal here for 2 minutes to go up. Since the overall price potential is also going up, at the same time there is an intersection of the moving averages. They have been moving parallel to each other for a long time and diverge further from each other. I think that the level will be broken in the near future. 2 minutes also with the margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, the price has again entered the pro-trading zone, but this level has not been broken yet. But in any case, the closing point of our deal is turned out to be higher than the opening point, and this means that we made a profit. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that there was a good confident upward movement, and at the moment there is a breakout after the pullback. In this situation, I think I will open a deal for 1 minute to go up, and after the pro trading, after the accumulation of the forces, the price moves up confidently and the level is broken through. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough for us, and we might just get into the very impulse movement of the price up, into the very breakout of the level, and the indicator also confirms our entry point. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Yep, the level was really broken and we made a profit. Also, after an impulse in upward movement, there was a fading and slight pullback down. But we still managing to close our deal in profit. It's the most important thing. Everything is going great. Let's continue. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment the price has confidently approached our level and is already beginning to go beyond it. We'll open a deal here for 1 minute to decrease, with a high probability that this level will be broken in the near future, since the overall price potential is also going down. I think that we will get into the most impulsive downward movement of the price in the very breakdown of the level, and as a rule in such situation 1 minute will be quite enough, guys. The indicator also confirms our entry point, so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright, great. As you can see, the level was indeed broken by a good impulse red candle. In this situation, 1 minute was really enough for us, and the price has an excellent potential for decline. I propose to open another last deal for today. So guys, let me find it and we will continue. Okay guys, here at the bottom we have a support level. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback up, and after the pullback the price turns around and moves down again. Also, there is an intersection of moving averages and the overall price potential is also going down. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move towards the level. Just at the moment, the price is starting to move down with the good confident red candle. So I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Isn't it great, guys? The price continued to move to the level and we are making profit here. Also, this indicator gave us a good entry point. As you can see, these situations work out well themselves, and I already have more than $8,000 on deposit. So guys, I fulfill my plan for today, so I just close the deal and leave the market. Just as you might notice in my tradings today that all market situations are similar to each other. In fact, all the market situations in trading are usually repeated. And of course, what is our responsibility here is to find such situations, to recognize them in time, to work on them in time and get a good profit. And of course, today, to help our technical analysis, our indicator suggested us a really good entry points and helped us to determine the further price movement. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today and learned some useful information, or at least now you know how to use Alligator indicator. So you also can try it, just connect this indicator, find similar situations on the market, and trade experience, and it will be easy for you to find specific situations in the market on which you can trade and get profit. I hope you already put the like to this video. If not, please do it right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. This group is for a limited amount of people. If you want to join us, then text me code word signal on my Telegram. You will be able to find the link in the description box. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!